Hello, game makers. My name's Kari. Today I got this game sent to me from Tyler, and I'm gonna throw my own spin on it. So let's check out the game. Tyler sent me a small jumping mini game. You see it scrolls from left to right. It's following this car, getting to like the end lot. It's pretty simple. So I was gonna throw my own spin on it, make it touch it up a little bit. First, I thought I'd start with the scene, give more like a background to it. So let's head over to set background image right there. And I'm going to select the forest because it's my favorite. Let's change it up a little bit. He already has a background color on there, so we can get rid of this. Oh, we got some pockets. So let me zoom in and clear those out. Oops. Control Z to undo your mistakes. Shouldn't take long. Control Z. Get all the blue out. So I don't want that to show up with the background that is already there. Almost done. Click, 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 and click, click. All right, then I'm going to use a different blue. I like this one. It's kind of like an earthy feel to it, but kind of still in the background. All right, go over here, click done. Let's see how that looks. It looks nice. I like it. It matches the background a little bit. Reminds me of like a greenish tint to it. All right, next we are going to add animation. I already made one prior because the animation takes time. So I made this little drift when you reach the end. See like a little smoke. The tail fire stops and just like shuts off. So I'm going to hit done to go out. And I want that to trigger when we reach the finish line. So I'm going to add another one of these blocks on sprite overlap, or on sprite kind overlap. So let's go to scene. Here it is. Drag it right there. And drag this bad boy in. Oh, no, that's the wrong block. My bad. If you're having trouble finding similar blocks, you could press click this and like right click and then duplicate. That'll give you the same block. You just gotta change it up a little bit. So we're gonna delete the center. Toss that in. Oh no, what happened to this block? Let's undo some stuff. Alright, select that, delete, right click, duplicate, delete that, sprite client player, drag it up, drag it down. Looks like something's up with it, so we're gonna have to find it manually. Scene. And it's right here on sprite of kind player overlaps with blank location. Toss that right there and slip that in. So now, notice we have to still select a tile type to go there. So we can create new tiles in the set tile map too. Oh, ignore that, please. Just email. All right, then we are going to go to my tiles, press this little plus right here. So now we can edit our own. I kind of don't want anything to show up, so I'm gonna try to match it with the background. Paint bucket, click, bam. That's the same background as the mountains I made. Gonna go into done, and then let's zoom in scale our way to the right, or to the finish, and add our tile, selecting this one, and say 2 in front. We have that time for the animation for the car to drift. Click done, and now we select our tile, blue. Now let's see if this animation actually plays. First, we're gonna get to the end. Doesn't actually play. Maybe if we pull down the value on this, it'll change for it'll run faster. Let's try 100. Let's get to the end. Jump, 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 jump. Ooh, there we go. Perfect slide, perfect drift. Now we're in there. Okay, what next? What next? Let's add a boost to it. A boost the vehicle. Add another mechanic. We can assign that to B because B is unassigned. So we're gonna do that controller on A button pressed. Drag it down, change it to B. All right, and let's go to sprites. Change my sprite X to, yeah, this one. Yep, my sprite's the right variable, so let's change it by 30. Oops. 3, 0, nope, 3, 0. Okay. And now that we have that, let's test it out. Something's wrong with it. It seems to be jumping. Oh, it's because it's jumping the position of X. Let's change that back. Let's change that to velocity, VX velocity, to be exact. All right, now let's see if it works in our favor. Yeah, it does. He's going faster. Slightly, but not too much, you know. But once we let go of B, the boost is gone. So, or the boost remains there. So let's go to controller, get the same block, drag it over here, on B, released. We'll set the sprite speed back to, let's get the set my sprite block. Set my sprite VX for X velocity to the original, which is right here, back to 100. So delete the 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, now let's test it out. Oops, type before I use it. Yep, he's going a little bit faster when I press B, and he returns to lower speed when I let go of B. All right, let's check our checklist. Add animation. Check. There's no check, so I'll just put an X next to it. Add a background, X. Add the boost button, X. And all we have to list some instructions. Before moving on to the instructions, I want to... No, let's just go to the instructions. Forget everything else. Okay. Since instructions usually come in like large package. Let's go for the show long text. Add that to right here, so it loads after the background, the blue sky is loaded. What do I want to say? Set a story as well. How about there's only one spot left. Exclamation mark. Quickly before someone else takes it. Now they need to. Now they know they need. Play knows they need to survive. So let's check it out. There's only one spot left. Quickly before someone else takes it. Jump. Jump. Speed boost. Oh. Oh dear. Looks like my B button got stuck a little bit. But it works. One more thing I wanted to add was like a little story to it. So let's go ahead and add some stakes. Let's add some cars to it, let's say. All right, this is a little tricky because you can't really place it the car sprites I want to add with like the normal set my sprite position to blank blank. You're gonna have to go into scene and use the set image at tile map column blank blank. Go add it right, say under that. Let's drag this up a little bit. We need more room. And then it's not really showing up. I can't alter it. It's gonna be a tile. So let's make an image. Go there, gallery. Let's find the cars. Oops. Now we're driving a pink car, so we don't want another pink car. Let's add this red one. Done. Actually, it's on a black parking lot, so let's get the black paint bucket. Paint bucket, paint bucket, paint bucket, bam. And let's duplicate this. Oops. Duplicate. And drag it right under. On top. And drag this image right there. And then let's go back into images. Click this and select another car, maybe the blue one this time. Oh, it's on my way, I can't see. Alright, also remember it's on a black background. So black, 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 done. There we go. Drag this in as well. And then we need to find the location where we want to put it. I want to put it where the car drifts into the parking spot. So let's go down here, get the hand, pull, pull, zoom, 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 pull. Okay, so the car usually stops around back here. So let's add, let's find where this car, the cars can go. This is the next available spot, 99 and 5. So we can assume that this will be 99 and 7. Right? So let's type in 99. No, delete 99. Done with that. Delete 5. Go over here. 99. Oops. 99. Blank 7. Sorry. 7. Tablets, am I right? Okay. Let's test it out. Let's see how it works. Jump. 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 Almost at the end. See, the cards are there. I gotta not mess up. I have to not jump into it. So one more time. Jump. 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 Almost there. Alright, here comes the slide. Ah. So it stops in the middle, so we need to push it to those cards to the left a little bit. So what we can do is go here. Delete 9, put an 8. So it's 98. It puts a 1 block or a 1 grid position to the left. Alright, let's check it out now. Jump. Jump. Maybe a little boost. No, I can't turn it off. Sweet. There we go. Right into the position, or the open space. Alright, I think that's going to do it. I added a story, added a small background, small story, and a animation. I said stories twice. Ignore that. No. From now on, or from this point, I'm gonna send it to Carmen, and she can take it from there. Thank you all for watching, and have a good night.